Welcome back to BJRS Affiliate Gist. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how you can stream music on Nuvia, and we are also going to be looking at how you can perform Nuvia promo task. So these are the two things that we are going to be looking at in today's video. So this video is mainly for beginners, like new members, someone who just register on Nuvia, and it's also for someone who may have interest on joining Nuvia. So if you want to get started on Nuvia, after your registration, this is what you are going to be doing on this platform called Nuvia. So before we dive in, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So after your registration on Nuvia, you will get to your main dashboard like this. Now we are going to be starting with how to stream music and earn on Nuvia. So this is the first thing that we are going to do out of the two. Without wasting time, let's proceed. So all you need to do is to head over and click on this three dash icon right there. So after you click on the three dash icon, this is what we are going to do. You can either come right here, you can see this particular place, stream box, or you can go to royalty estimation. These are the two places that you can stream music on Nuvia. The differences between these two places is that, like this first one will only give you access to stream the music, and you will only track your earnings on that particular streaming app that you use. But if you come right here, this one, you are going to see your overall earnings for your streaming. So these are the two differences that these two places has or have. Now let's get started. For example, click on royalty estimation. So after clicking on royalty estimation, it's going to take you down there. You are going to see this place, and as you can see my earning, you see it right there. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be streaming songs from each of these streaming platforms that we have right there. And as you can see, we have YouTube Music, we also have SoundCloud, Spotify, Boomplay, Audiomack, and Apple Music. So these are the 6 streaming apps that are linked with Nuvia, and we are going to be streaming songs that are inside these streaming apps. So all you need to do, for example, now if we want to start with YouTube Music, all you have to do now is just to head over and click on the YouTube Music. So after clicking on the YouTube Music, we are going to see the numbers of songs that are available on the YouTube Music, and as you can see right here, you see that we have this particular song available, and we also have these other songs available. We have 2 songs available on the YouTube Music. So how can you stream these musics and earn? So this is what we are going to be looking at right now. For example, now if we want to stream this particular song that is here right now, or you want to stream this one, all you have to do is just to click on the actual songs that you want to stream. So let's go ahead and click on the song. So after clicking on the song, this is what will happen. You see the play icon right here. You see that the play icon is paused. So all you have to do now is just to tap on the play icon. So after tapping on the play icon, the song will start to play. I didn't know. Oh yeah. So you see, and if you check right there, this is the length of the song. This is the length of the song, and if you check the end of it, you see that this particular song is 2 minutes 49 seconds. You see, so if you want to earn from these songs, you have to stream these songs from start to finish for you to be able to earn. So if you stream this, if you play this particular song now from beginning to the end, once the song get to the end, it's going to redirect you to YouTube Music to actually show you that this particular streaming app has been linked. Understand? So let's repeat the same process on the second song. Let's go back. You will click on this wickedness. So after you click on it, you click on play. I don't want these songs to play now on this video because I don't want this particular video to be very long. That's why I will just pause it like this. I've already played the song already, and if you want to check it, let me show you from my income logs right here. So if I click on the income logs, you can see, you can look at it here. I've already streamed those songs. So let's head over and click on another streaming app to see. Let's go back there. We go back there, then we still click on the estimation. For example, now if we want to stream music on Spotify, we just have to click on Spotify. So after clicking on Spotify, it's going to show you almost the similar stuff. You see that it's only one song that is available right here. Let's check another place. Okay, SoundCloud. Let's use SoundCloud. You see we have two songs available, and you can see the price tag right there. This particular song is 748 naira, while the other one is 702 naira. So let's stream the songs right now. You click on the song, then you tap on play. I know feel like you, baby. For this life, I go love. So this is how to stream your songs on Nuvia. All you have to do is just to make sure that you play the songs from beginning to the end, so that your earnings will be added. And note that all the streaming platforms we have here, you just have to repeat the same process. You just need to repeat the same process like what we just did. That's what we are going to be doing to stream all the songs that we have right here. And after streaming those songs, this is where you are going to see your earnings. Your earnings will not be on the main dashboard. This particular dashboard you see right here, this particular dashboard is mainly for music streaming. Understand? So this is where your streaming earnings will appear. It's not going to appear on the other dashboard. The other dashboard is mainly for other things or for others earnings. So each music that you stream and whatever song that you stream, this is where you are going to see your estimated earnings from the streamings. Now, so we are done with how to stream music. Now let's look into how to perform the Nuvia promo tags or feature. So we just have to go back, click on the three dash icon again. Okay, let me show you this one. Like I mentioned this one earlier, you just click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see almost the same thing that we saw there. You see, you just want to click on any one that you want to stream the music from, then you stream the song. Understand? So that is that. Then this is how to perform the Nuvia promo. You come right there, you see the Nuvia promo right there. So all you have to do, you click on, all you have to do is to click on Nuvia promo. So after clicking on the Nuvia promo, it's going to take you to this particular place. Now you just have to scroll. You scroll down to this particular place, you see these social media icons and links. This is where you will have to perform your tax and earn. And as you can see right there, we have like 3 social tags available, which is YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So what I'm going to be doing here is just for you to share the post, comment, like, or subscribe. This is what we are going to be doing in this particular place. For example, now if you click on this WhatsApp on like this, So after clicking on the WhatsApp, it's going to take you to your WhatsApp. All you have to do is just to select your status. You can click right there. After clicking on the status, now you can head over and click on this particular place to share the post. So you just have to share the post on your status, or if you have some friends that you want to share it to, you can also share to them. So that is how to perform the task. After you share this thing, you go back, your earnings will be added. Then the second one is Instagram. You repeat the same process by clicking on the Instagram icon. So after clicking on the icon, it's going to take you to your Instagram page, and you're going to see any available post where you will just have to either like or share. You can just like the post, and you can also share the post. So after you might have done that, then you can go back to the website. Your money will also be added, understand? Then the third one is TikTok. You repeat the same process by clicking on the TikTok icon, and it's going to take you to your TikTok account.
Merlin, if I die.
After it takes you to your TikTok, to take you to a post like this, any available post for that particular day. So after it takes you to the post, or what you just have to do is you can just like the post, you can drop your comment if you wish, you can just do any of these things, you can share it, understand? And you can also add it to your favorite, any of the things that you want to do, and you can also choose to follow the page. So that's what you are going to do on the TikTok. And after you might have done with that, you go back to the website again. After you go back to the website, and finally the YouTube, by just clicking on the YouTube link, and it's going to take you to Nuvia YouTube channel. So from here you can just subscribe to the channel, and you can choose to watch any of these videos. You can just choose to watch any of the video if you wish, and your earnings will be added. So when you get to the website like this, you can now go back. How can you go back? You can just click right there. Let's say you want to go back, you can just click on this icon. Now you click on login. After clicking on login, you now tap it to log into your account. For example, here is my account. I will just log into my account, and it's going to take me to my dashboard. Then the promo, let me show you where you can track your promo earnings. If you check this particular place, you are going to see this drop down right here. So you click on the drop down to change the wallet. You click on it again. You see, now you can now see your promo earnings. So this is how to track your promo earnings on Nuvia, understand? And so if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.